we are going to cover how we perform API testing through the API endpoints, and how we perform the assertion through the API testing. So I just open this API. This is the API URL. So I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to use in Playwright automation framework. So this is the Playwright test file I already created. And now to perform API testing, normally we use the request fixture. So this is the request fixture. So through the API, we get the responses, we get the response code, we get the response body as well. So how we get through the response? So let me declare a constant for the constant response equal to await request dot, and inside I'm just copy pasted the URL. Now you can see, now we supposed to get the response status. So constant equal to response dot status. What will the response status? Console dot log. We are going to print this status. So response status will be print. So let us assume that we are getting the successful response code, which is a 200. So how we perform the assertion using that? Expect expect what? Expect response status, expect response status. Let me copy paste this one. Expect response status to be 200. So 200, which is the actual response status when it is successful. So this is how it is. Expect. Why it is giving error message on expect? Let me check. Yes, so it has been removed. So we will get the response status as 200, and here we are printing the response status. So 200 response status stands for OK. So how we perform assertion through the response status text? Dot, you can see response status dot, not this one, not this one, sorry, I'm using the wrong method. It should be status text. Why it is not coming? Let me check. Maybe let me copy paste once again. Copying this one. Expect dot, okay, truthy. So it is containing the response status as okay, then it will return the true. So I applied assertion here. You can see. The next line. Why it's giving error message? Okay, my bad. Sorry, my bad. 1 minute. My bad. So let me correct here. Let me correct here. It should be not response status. It should be response, not response status. So here I corrected this one. So you can see, let me click enter button. So why giving error message? You can see status text coming, status text to be, so here written status text to be okay. So you can see now expect expect response dot okay to be truthy. If it is okay, then it will return true value. Now I am going to the, now here we have performed the assertion through the status response status text and response status. Now we supposed to get the response body as well, and that response body that we supposed to get in the form of JSON. So how we will get that response body through the JSON? So I will going to write a code for that, and we are going to print the entire output we are getting from the API. So how we can print? Let me write the code here. Just wait for a few seconds. So here we are going to print the output in the form of JSON. So how we can do that? Constant response body equal to, we'll get the response in the form of JSON. So here we are going to print the response body. So console dot log, you can see. So now it's time to run our execution. So how we can run? Just opening a command line which is the same path of this folder of this project. You can see this is the same path. I'm running a command npx Playwright test, API test, that is the file name, and project is WebKit. WebKit means it is using a browser, WebKit browser. It will run in headless mode. So you can see in few minutes it will start the execution. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see it started execution, and you can see the output. You can see the API output. You can see this API output. You can see there is, you can see, you can also see the response code is 200. You can see the output. The same output you can also compare from this portal as well. That should be the same. So this is how you can perform the assertion, you can perform the API testing. So I hope you are able to understand. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.